Hello, friends. I am so excited to be offering some coaching and mentoring. And so I wanted to create a little mini video to talk a little bit about that. Now, I intentionally call it coaching and mentoring because I think of a coach as someone who provides some insight, some inspiration, some tips, some techniques. And then on the other hand, the mentor, that's a person who provides some soulful, deep wisdom. And in my own career, I have found that I need both. Sometimes I just need a little, I don't know, a little boost, a little kick, some inspiration. Other times I need to almost step back and explore something in a deeper way. Sometimes I like to think of our growth as artists and as creatives kind of like a tree. We have the tree and the branches and the leaves and maybe even the fruit, but we also have the roots. So the coach kind of focuses on all those things that you can see. The mentor focuses on the stuff you can't see, the roots, everything that's beneath the surface. And so I try to provide warm-hearted, kind, and thoughtful coaching and mentoring so that you can grow. And one of the reasons why this is such beautiful and meaningful and even sacred work is because when you work one-on-one, you can get really specific. And I found in my own life that it's so helpful to connect with people in a deep and meaningful way. We have to cultivate meaningful, lasting friendships and relationships, and that's what this allows us to do. And we have to do that in a really specific and focused way if we're interested in exploring how we can create our best work, how we can become our best self, how we can make a difference in the world.